Ago. Aku tak tahu apa dia orang. Boyoni lah. Boyoni. Si o kata na kita tak tahu apa dah. Bukan naso. We o kata do raja. Dia cakap ni kerja dia buat. Ah, betul tu.
To kickstart the reconciliation process, the Awa Mafia gave vent to some of his frustrations and disappointments caused by the shortcomings of his wing commanders and sub-chiefs. I have voiced out all the grudges and ill feelings I bore against my wing leaders and sub-chiefs, believing that this ritual will restore peace and harmony to the state, the Awa Mafia concluded. The clans in charge of the reconciliation ceremony are the Nwafe and Amlade. Each year, they nominate people to perform this ritual. The herbs used for the ritual are special and well known to them. Here, they invoke the herbs to make them active and sensitive for the task. The Avadada Hogbetsotso Reconciliation, the second in command of the Anlo state, recapitulated the Awa Mafia's grievances. Later, he opened the floor for the wing leaders to respond to the charges leveled against them by the Awa Mafia. No doubt, the Reconciliation Forum is unique and democratic, as there is no inhibition on the part of the wing leaders to speak their mind for fear of any victimization. The first person to react to the Awa Mafia's charges was the right-wing leader, Ŋgbidodo III of Wei.
Nyapa Awa Mafia, anam yenyaba, dakawawo shikama lamya domyo, anaba ngogbai magala mya domyo, kaka ayo riefia duo, adaba jinu awona, mabialo. Apa kama chiode woji chamine la kamia pa Awa Mafia adoge wora abalogo atokata aftia mi pa Awa Mafia la ko gwana wa adoge na majeshi amayo adotoga dele mi atawo doe badada jagbanto gaka nuraka shika madadam la yakbo na joko kaglamidi ajo ya brochi na nyanwa na yamachiama
ano ba kwaro va yena anlo dua dahu kaka mawodi dia ovado mi atogbinami alaba mi kata mi ha borang gaka tu maiji wo dera hiji aro die fie dua nye no mo pomba ayo mi eduma vi o babi tong lo gakle afiao ayo mi ba mi va e gbolo anyaro li aglona mi ba e va fiare ale o la ba mi azone kaka awo miano nyamo rekasamu alba wanamao katare anya jikunami na yeba wanamao yenye jikwanami ikewe ba miele dwoma hafu pamare adwoma ba famwa agba mienu gbadoma agbana hoi anya tafe ba miama mafia ba hijifia na madan kakara ko dan kakaboto aka mia hologo mia no baba bibisa nkata ala ba o glofia ba miama ngogboto malio o nyaba ngogboto ba nyimba no manota iko do makla novia rusha ko iko o tachire bi o miaji o ga yo na mi ha ala ba miama ngogbot fia malio ta numba no do mo bamra mi afia makuno na tamaklo malio afia le balagomo yo wotero nwu onu afadakle togi bojo nwu ko ka afanwo to de numba wo no mo ni nyanwa ira macha ye nwo jo lagban laji yenya bia anje bia wajiji bo to togbi asu wo plombi le nyata pama menya mbare na chua bak bulu nyara ika malamu ko togbi na ko nyama adoma bagana mi na yengwa wagara machama togbi na silali ba na lam yakata kai yo wo plombi le nyata foto to ma abale ibang ko togbi ba no hami bia hami aviora jojo nyanya ben of your jena.
With the major issues fully addressed by the wing leaders, those in charge of the reconciliation rituals performed the last ritual. They then invited the Awamefia and his sub-chiefs to participate in the final rituals. This gesture is a symbolism depicting the kind of unity and harmony that had eluded the people of Anlo for many years. There are 15 clans in Anlo state. On an occasion like this, each clan head must bring a pot to collect the ritual water produced for their family members. Now, it is the turn of the acolytes of the shrine to get involved in the spraying. What then is the spiritual significance of the reconciliation ritual?
Manya a chifufuko kunako, chola dongyu, nemi ŋgbidodo mi akwa amaolem, egbeha mieda miatogbe gbefa yodojia, uyane be flechu, yenya gbesasi to ketala ŋgbidodo ondom. Amma yenya nyahika egloba miatogbe pa ŋgbidodo ama egbealema, egbeha langbiama plagba bubuo kaklamaloshi ukata fufua egbeha ba wanya ŋgbidodo anya lonlon wotsona ye wonuawo yena ba amashama vojura gbaji ba ya amma tete odofma wakashin
ŋgbidodo ya alamo gere manya komi wela Hogbetsotso ba yi arola go vonu fia mi wela maiko mi wanele mi ma fu ma mi choba mi be mi awo fodu na na fia ala ba fodu mo vi okata na so na maso kle baba sese la jitana mara mi adira la gbogboma ita mi anwia ahanu gereve dolele ku platove ali ala ka gbogbo na mi aklamare mi ndomu wafi amaku ha matanta faigo ta ya wana iba iba kpabu motore bo do ngi na mi akla amakukwa ya yo ni ba abuji ba na tamba kwata pa mama no me ana ba kwata fa ke amakukwa ba nu loge ni o majaba na ona we ko na jo na do choke ko wa ko na javli mo moja ba makene.
It is obligatory on wing leaders to provide a ram each for this ritual. At the tail end of the rite, the rams are slaughtered. One of the cardinal objectives of the Hogbetsotso Festival